Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Understood. Does your grade schooler struggle with math? There are a ton of ways you can help a child with math at home. And they don't need to be fancy or expensive. In this video, we'll show you 7 math learning tools you may already have around the house. And we'll show you how you can use them to help younger kids work on important math skills. Up first, coins. Gather some quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. Working with coins can help your child practice giving the correct value to each coin. You can also use coins to help your child practice solving the same math problem in more than one way. For example, how many different combinations of coins can add up to 57 cents? Have your child give it a try. Next, crayons. Give your crayons a break from art stuff and use them to help your child understand math. Using small groups of crayons and moving some from one pile to another can help your child create and visualize number bonds. Here's an example. Draw a big square and write 10 inside it. Then 10 crayons inside the square. Now draw 2 spokes coming out from the bottom of the square and put a big circle at the end of each spoke. Put 3 crayons inside one of the circles. Then ask your child how many crayons need to go inside the other circle to make 10. After your child solves this problem, keep changing the number of crayons in the first circle. Ask your child to make changes to the second pile to complete the number bond. Number 3, dried beans. Dried beans have cool colors and textures, making it more interesting for kids to practice a math skill called grouping. Grouping is the term for dividing a quantity into smaller parts. Try this exercise. Ask your child to count 12 beans and then split them into 2 equal groups. Then try splitting the 12 beans into 3 equal groups. How about 4 equal groups? Older kids may learn in school to refer to these equal groups as factors. Number 4, Legos. Use stacks of Legos to help your child think about place value. Stacks of 10 Legos represent the tens place, while individual Legos represent the ones place. Example, start with the number 22. You'll need 2 stacks of 10 Legos to represent the tens place, and 2 individual Legos to represent the ones place. Then ask your child to subtract 5 from 22. This involves splitting apart one of the 10 stacks. Now your child can see how subtraction affects the tens value. Next up, Post-its. Thinking about decimals is a lot more fun when you get to move around colorful Post-it notes. On a big sheet of paper, draw a number line from 0 to 1. Then take several Post-it notes and write a different decimal on each one. Example, on one Post-it note, write 0.7. On another note, write 0.3. And on a third note, write 0.03. It may help to start the activity by locating benchmark decimals like 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75. Now, ask your child to place the Post-its in the correct order from smallest to biggest on the number line. Next, fruit roll-ups. Fruit roll-ups can be a tasty way to help your child understand and compare fractions. Before eating, have your child practice making fractions with 2 equal strips. Cut one strip in half and cut the other into quarters. Then ask which piece is bigger, 1/2 or 1/4. Now you can enjoy both pieces. Lastly, measuring cups. Measuring cups are another great way to help your child think about and compare fractions. Grab 2 measuring cups. Pour 1/3 of a cup of water into one cup and another 1/3 of a cup into the other. Then combine them to make 2/3. Now take the empty cup and fill it up halfway. Which cup has more liquid? Which fraction is bigger, 1/2 or 2/3? This exercise will help your child practice adding fractions. There you go. 7 simple DIY math tools that you can use with your child. Want more tips on helping kids with math? Check out the description below for helpful links and articles. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And tell us in the comments below, what DIY math tool will you try with your child? We'd love to hear from you.